Too many people spend money they haven't earned, to buy things they don't need, to impress people they don't like. Will Rogers. The goal isn't more money. The goal is living life on your terms. Chris Brogan. Are you tired of feeling stuck? Trapped in a cycle of working long hours just to keep up with bills while your dreams of freedom slip further away? What if I told you there's a way out? A path that leads to financial freedom, where you're no longer working for money, but money is working for you. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. It's about breaking free from the rat race. Let me show you how. Today, we're diving deep into topics that can transform your life, from personal finance to mindset shifts that lead to lasting success, escaping the rat race, the endless cycle of working, spending, and never feeling truly free. This video is for anyone who feels like their paycheck disappears before they even see it, or that they're simply surviving rather than thriving. By the end of this video, you'll understand what the rat race is, why so many people fall into it, and most importantly, how you can get out of it for good. So grab a notebook, stay tuned, and let's dive in. So first, let's understand, what exactly is the rat race? It's the never-ending loop of working just to meet your financial obligations, without any real progress toward financial independence. For many, it's the 9-5 grind. But even if you're earning a good salary, you can still be stuck if your income is entirely dependent on your time. The problem is that society conditions us to trade our time for money, creating a life where we constantly chase after the next paycheck without truly building wealth or freedom. It's not just about having a job. It's about the mindset that keeps you trapped in this cycle. The rat race tells you that more work is the answer to everything. But what if it isn't? 2. Escaping the rat race starts in the mind. Most people believe that earning more is the key to escaping. But it's not just about how much you make. It's about how much you keep and where you invest it. It's important to adopt a mindset that prioritizes financial independence over consumerism. Let's say you get a raise. The common mistake is to upgrade your lifestyle. Nicer car, bigger house, better gadgets. That's lifestyle inflation, and it keeps you trapped. Instead, think like an investor. What if, instead of spending that extra income, you invested it into assets that generate passive income? That's how you start to break free. 3. You've probably heard it before. Investing is essential for building wealth. But too many people think it's too risky or only for the wealthy. That's a myth. Today, with tools like low-cost index funds and apps that allow you to start investing with just a few dollars, there's no excuse. Unlike simply saving your money in a bank, investing allows your money to grow over time through compound interest, dividends, and capital appreciation. Whether you choose stocks, bonds, real estate, or other assets, investing provides a way for your money to work for you, rather than relying solely on your labor for income. Compound interest is your best friend here. It might not seem like much at first, but as you consistently invest over time, your money begins to grow exponentially. The earlier you start, the bigger the rewards. Investing also diversifies your income streams, reducing your dependence on a single paycheck. When you invest in income-generating assets like dividend-paying stocks, rental properties, or peer-to-peer lending, you're setting up passive income streams that can eventually replace or supplement your earned income. The beauty of investing is that you don't have to be wealthy to start, and with the accessibility of online platforms and tools, anyone can begin. Over time, your portfolio grows, your wealth multiplies, and the pressure to work just to cover basic expenses diminishes, helping you break free from the constraints of the rat race. 4. When unexpected financial windfalls like bonuses, tax refunds, or gifts come your way, it's easy to fall into the temptation of spending them immediately. However, these unexpected funds present a unique opportunity to accelerate your financial goals. Instead of splurging on short-term pleasures, consider saving or investing your windfalls to build long-term wealth. This might mean putting the money toward paying down debt, boosting your emergency savings, or investing in assets like stocks or real estate that can grow over time. By using your windfalls wisely, you can move closer to financial freedom without relying on your regular income. Saving windfalls also acts as a safeguard against financial instability. Life is full of uncertainties, and having extra cash set aside from bonuses or refunds provides you with a cushion in case of emergencies. For instance, If you face a job loss or a major unexpected expense, that saved bonus or tax refund can be a financial lifeline. Rather than relying on credit or going into debt, you can use these funds to navigate tough times. So, the next time you receive extra money, see it as an opportunity to improve your financial health rather than a license to spend. 5. Be mindful of money traps. Those things society tells you are essential but actually hold you back. A big one? Debt. Whether it's credit cards, car loans, or even a mortgage that's too large, debt can keep you chained to your job. The trick is to live below your means. And yes, I know that's easier said than done. Another trap is comparing yourself to others. Just because your friend buys a new car or goes on an exotic vacation doesn't mean you should. Focus on your own goals and don't fall victim to lifestyle inflation. It's about long-term freedom, not short-term pleasure. We recommend watching our related video titled The Psychology of Money, Money Traps, to help you understand the hidden psychological pitfalls that often keep people from escaping poverty. Recognizing these traps is essential for making smarter financial choices and avoiding common mistakes that hold you back. Please find the link in the description. 6. One effective way to escape the rat race is by selling unused or unwanted items. Many of us have valuable things sitting around, old electronics, furniture, clothing, or even collectibles, that we no longer use but could turn into cash. By decluttering and selling these items, you're not only creating more physical space, but also generating extra income that can be put to better use. This extra money can help you pay off debt, start an emergency fund, or invest in assets that will work for you in the long run. It's a simple but powerful step toward breaking free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. In addition to the financial benefits, selling unused items promotes a minimalist mindset, which is essential for long-term financial freedom. When you shift your focus from accumulating material possessions to prioritizing experiences and financial growth, you're less likely to fall into the trap of lifestyle inflation. Every dollar you make from selling things you no longer need brings you closer to escaping the rat race and living life on your terms. This proactive step helps you realize that financial freedom isn't just about earning more, but also about making the most of what you already have. 7. Another major key to escaping the rat race is building multiple streams of income. Relying solely on a single paycheck is risky, especially in today's uncertain economy. Think about the power of diversification. If one stream dries up, you still have others to rely on. This could be anything from dividend-paying stocks, real estate, a side business, or even something as simple as freelancing. Start small. The point isn't to replace your day job overnight, but to create income sources that, over time, reduce your dependency on trading your hours for dollars. This is where the concept of passive income comes in, earning money while you sleep. 8. To escape the rat race, you need clear financial goals. Without a plan, it's easy to drift. Start by setting achievable milestones, paying off debt, saving a set amount for emergencies, investing in assets, and eventually creating enough passive income to cover your living expenses. These goals are your roadmap to financial freedom. Track your progress regularly and make adjustments as needed. Remember, it's not about how fast you can reach financial independence. It's about making consistent progress in the right direction. Escaping the rat race isn't about luck or extreme sacrifices. It's about smart decisions and consistency. With the right mindset, a focus on financial independence, and the determination to live below your means while building assets, you can break free. It's a journey, not an overnight change, but the rewards, freedom, security, and living life on your terms are worth every step. Congratulations! You've taken the first step toward breaking free from the rat race and moving closer to financial freedom. Now you know that achieving this goal is not just about working hard, it's about working smart and understanding how to leverage your resources. But the question remains, what's the fastest and most reliable way to build wealth and get out of the grind? In our next video, how to become rich fast. Top 10 business ideas with low failure rates. I'll show you specific low-risk business ideas that can catapult you toward success. These are ideas that don't just offer potential, they offer stability and high reward. If you're serious about accelerating your journey to financial freedom, you won't want to miss it. So hit that subscribe button and make sure to join me in the next video. Your breakthrough might just be one idea away. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Always consult a licensed financial advisor or professional before making any significant financial decisions or changes to your financial plan. Remember, achieving financial stability takes time, effort, and careful planning. There are no shortcuts or get-rich-quick schemes, and any action you take regarding your finances is at your own risk.